Hello and welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a good day, and I want to thank everyone who's subscribed so far. Go down there and subscribe if you haven't, and share it, and hit the notification bell, and leave comments down in the YouTube comment section, please. This whole thing's helping my channel grow. I'd like to get it to someday maybe monetize. It might take me another 50 years, and of course at my age I'll be dead by then, but what the hell. Anyway, this is a follow-up video to the problems I'm having with my air oil separator that I use for my PCV system. I'll leave a link up there. And what I decided to do was use the original air oil separator without the screw-on plastic part. I left that out in the garage. It's starting to crack and leak. And what I decided to do is I am going to attach it to here, like so. And it's going to be welded there, like so. And I'm going to weld this on the bottom, like so. And I'll have a little drain down here. I haven't decided how I'm going to do that yet, but that's what I'm going to do. And the only thing left to do is weld it. So I'll go ahead and weld her up. Okay, all the welding's done. It didn't come out quite the way I wanted it to, and I'll be honest, I'm not really happy with it, but and I still need to put a little drain valve on the bottom, but it's about as much work I'm going to put into it. When the winter time comes and I have more time on my hands, I'm going to machine one out of billet aluminum. Will be a lot nicer than this. I basically just reusing this part of it. I'll make it a true air oil separator in the sense of an automotive style one where there's a baffle inside and all that. But that should do the job, and put it back on the car, and I should have another video up about the other problem I had with the memcal up shortly. I'll get to work on that here shortly. I don't know, this weekend I hope. And I'll be having an unboxing video coming up. So, go down there, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching. And I hope everybody has a good day. And God bless.